In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up custom channel groups in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option means, and how to tailor your traffic channels so your reports match the way you actually think about your marketing. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into the Google account that has access to the analytics property you want to work with. Once you're in, make sure you've selected the correct account and property at the top of the screen because channel groups are specific to each property. If you manage multiple websites or apps, double check this before moving on. Now, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the admin icon. This is the little gear symbol. The admin area is where you control settings for your account and property, and it's where all the configuration for reports and data structure lives in Google Analytics 4. If you don't see the options we're about to use, you may need editor or admin permissions, so keep that in mind. In the admin page, focus on the property column in the middle. Under the section called Data Display, click on Channel Groups. This is where Google Analytics stores both the default channel group that comes out of the box and any custom channel groups you create. Custom channel groups let you define how your traffic sources are grouped in reports, so you can align them with your own naming conventions or campaign structure. Next, click the button that says Create New Channel Group. This will open a new panel or page where you'll set up all the details. It might show you a preview of the existing channels that are part of the default group, but you're now building your own version. At the top, type a name for your new channel group. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later in your reports, especially if you plan to create more than one. For example, you might name it something like Paid versus Organic Custom or Marketing Channels Region Specific. The name is what you'll see in the interface when you select your channel dimension. Just below the name, you'll see a field for a description. This is optional, but it's a good habit to fill it in. Use the description to remind yourself and your team what makes this channel group unique, how it's meant to be used, or any special rules you've applied. This can really help avoid confusion months down the line, or when new people join your team. You'll then see the list of channels that belong to this group. You can reorder this channel list by dragging and dropping the items. The order can matter visually because it affects how channels appear in your tables and charts. Put your most important or most frequently used channels at the top so they're easier to spot when you're analyzing reports. You can also edit an existing channel in the list. When you click to edit, you'll be able to change the rules that define which sessions or users fall into that channel. For example, you might refine how paid social is recognized or adjust the conditions for direct traffic. Take your time here and make sure the rules reflect how your campaigns are actually tagged. If the existing channels aren't enough, you can add a new channel as well. This is useful when you have a specific traffic type that doesn't fit neatly into the defaults, like a dedicated influencer channel, a particular partner network, or a specialized referral group. When you add a new channel, give it a clear name and configure the conditions so that only the traffic you care about is included. Once you're happy with the name, the optional description, the order of the channels, and any edits or additions you've made, scroll down and click Save Group. Google Analytics will now save this custom channel group and make it available in your reports. Remember that changes may not retroactively apply to all historical data in every context, so consider that when evaluating your trends. That's all you need to set up custom channel groups in Google Analytics 4.